Arutwo aya aria muoroto wao ni gutuika gicicio ona mwihoko hari mbeu njithi aria angi guothe bururi-ini marakungũire thigũkũ ya Jamhuri me hamwe rungu rwa mũtaratara wao wa SOC uria ni Spire of Change Youth Foundation. Mbeu njithi aya maracemanitie niguo kumenyana o hamwe na gukenanira na kugeria gutarana na njira ya meikarire yao una ni makoragwo matukanite mena muoroto wa kuguciriria athomi aria angi guothe bururi-ini.
So we serve God by having God in our lives, the 6 pastors and 1 priest. Every day we have devotions. We have a WhatsApp group that was called Don't Know. Now we call ourselves Spire for Change Youth Foundation. And you should know, everything in this group has been done by Mike and the rest of you. Some of you are not here. So I take this opportunity to thank Mike and all of you.
Arutwo aya ni maraheirwo mataro na njira ya gwithemana na ndawa cia kurefia kuona andu aingi makiria mbeu njithi ni moraga ni undu wa ikeno cia kuhuthira ndawa cia kurefia.
That they want to see great change in the youth. There is hope. I know we have had a statement that came from a head of state the other day, but I know why our president got mad. It is because they tried their best, walienda kwa class to make sure hakuna exam inaibiwa, si ndio? They did their best. He even went to like Musagetau Primary School. Na ke ndagitari Gitonga uria ni umwe wa anyitiriri a gikundi giki kia SOC ni aroide kanya kau kumiriria na guikia kiugo kia utari kuri mbeu njithi aya aria ni a university, colleges o hamwe na secondary.
I wish you to be smart people, young people who know God and put God first. You are able to love your friend, you are able to love your neighbors, you are able to mentor other people. Because we have 2 levels of mentorship under SOC. The first level of mentorship is whereby us as SOC members, we visit various places, we do rehab centers. Most students are into drugs, true or false? True. We also go into orphans homes. We need some of you are from rich families. So, unaona mtu anakuja na gari ya over 10 million. Kuna mtu wa chakula siku 3.
Ona arutwo aya ni maraugire uria mateithikite na makagunika na mutaratara uyu wa foundation ino ya Spire of Change.
Bringing people together first, like the youth together, is one step to integrate. So SOC is one thing that bring all the youth and the adults. I'm part of the youth society.
It's been great also having you today for our meet and greet event. Yeah, so thank you all. Yeah,
SOC has started from nothing. Right now where it is, at least it is somewhere as we grow to being the best that we are.
And one of the ways is through ensuring that the young people are well nurtured, they are well given advice, in that they cannot sway from whatever it is that they usually grew up with in terms of morals and in terms of actions.
For me, SOC has been a family away from home. I'll encourage youths, parents, anyone can join this group. So what we do here, because most people ask what we do here, it's not a cult. Yeah, first of all, it's not a cult. It's a nice group. I'll encourage kila mtu a join. Si ati ni youths pekee.
Kimono giki kirahaririirio mwena wa Ruiru thini wa Tropical Gardens. Handũ-inĩ ha Gikuyu TV rĩakwa nĩ Irungu wa Mwangi.